Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Colby and today we are back with another episode of Today's Tech. On this episode, I will be showing you how to fix fraying Apple chargers. The supplies that you will need for this repair are shrink tubing. This can be found at any local hardware store. I got this at the local Home Depot and it was only $2 for this whole package. A pair of scissors and a hairdryer. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have recently bought a 2010 MacBook Pro and the end is fraying pretty bad, so let's get into fixing that. To start this repair, you're going to get out a piece of shrink tubing and measure it up to your lightning cord and cut it a little bit longer than you think it's going to need to be. Once you get your piece of shrink tubing cut to the right length, we are going to need to stretch it out a little bit to get it to fit over the charger. To start stretching out your shrink tube, I recommend starting with something small like a pencil and then moving up to something bigger like a Sharpie. So I'll be right back with you guys after I start to stretch this out. Alright guys, I'm back. So as you can see, we stretched the tube on the left, and here you can see it compared to the original tube that we started with on the right. I found that the pencils did not work so well, and that a pair of needle nose pliers really works good if you just stick it in and spread it apart. So now you can see the tubing is wide enough where it can fit over the end of our charger. So now you just got to get the hairdryer and start heating it up. Here's an update after I put the first piece of shrink tubing on. As you can see, this worked great and there's no more wires exposed, but the wire is still cracking a little bit down here, so I cut another piece of shrink tube that I'm going to put on down at the bottom just to make it even stronger. So I'll be right back when I'm done with that. As you can see, I just put on the second piece of shrink tubing onto the end of our MacBook charger, and now there are no more exposed wires, and it's all good, and that repair just saved us about $80 from buying a brand new MacBook charger. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped, and if it did, please drop a like and subscribe down below for future content.